अथ दशमोऽध्यायः। श्रीभगवानुवाच भूय एव महाबाहो शृणु मे परमं वचः यत्तेऽहं प्रीयमाणाय वक्ष्यामि हितकाम्यया।
The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, "Listen again, O mighty armed Arjuna, because you are my dear friend. For your benefit, I shall speak to you further, giving knowledge that is better than what I have already explained."
न मे विदुःसुरगणाः प्रभवं न महर्षयः अहमादिर्हि देवानां महर्षीणां च सर्वशः।
Neither the hosts of demigod nor the great sages know my origin or opulences, because in every respect I am the source of the demigods and sages.
यो मामजमनादिं च वेत्ति लोकमहेश्वरम् असम्मूढसमर्थ्येषु सर्वपापैः प्रमुच्यते।
He who knows me as the unborn, as the beginningless, as the Supreme Lord of all the worlds, he only undeluded among men, is freed from all sins.
बुद्धिर्ज्ञानमसम्मोहः क्षमा सत्यं दमः शमः सुखं दुःखं भवो भावः भयं च भयमेव च।
Intelligence, knowledge, freedom from doubt and delusion, forgiveness, truthfulness, control of senses, control of mind, happiness and distress, birth and death, fear and fearlessness are created by me alone.
अहिंसा समता तुष्टिः तपोदानं यशो यशः भवन्ति भावा भूतानां मत्त एव पृथग्विधाः।
Non-violence, equanimity, satisfaction, austerity, charity, fame and infamy, all these various qualities of living beings are created by me alone.
महर्षयः सप्त पूर्वे चत्वारो मनवस्तथा मद्भावा मानसा जाताः येषां लोक इमाः प्रजाः।
The 7 great sages, and before them the 4 other great sages, and the Manus, progenitors of mankind, come from me, born from my mind, and all the living beings populating the various planets descend from them.
एतां विभूतिं योगं च मम यो वेत्ति तत्त्वतः सोऽविकम्पेन योगेन युज्यते नात्र संशयः।
One who is factually convinced of this opulence and mystic power of mine gets engaged in unalloyed devotional service. Of this there is no doubt.
अहं सर्वस्य प्रभवः मत्तः सर्वं प्रवर्तते इति मत्वा भजन्ते माम् बुधा भावसमन्विताः.
I am the source of all spiritual material worlds. Everything emanates from me. The wise who perfectly know this engage in my devotional service and worship me with all their hearts.
मच्चित्ता मद्गतः प्राणाः बोधयन्तः परस्परम् कथयन्तश्च माम् नित्यम् तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च.
The thoughts of my pure devotees dwell in me. Their lives are fully devoted to my service, and they derive great satisfaction and bliss by always enlightening one another and talking about me.
तेषाम् सततयुक्तानाम् भजताम् प्रीतिपूर्वकम् ददामि बुद्धियोगम् तम् येन मामुपयान्ति ते.
To those who are constantly devoted in serving me with love, I give the understanding by which they can come to me.
तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम् अहमज्ञानजन्तमः नाशयाम्यात्मभावस्थः ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वत.
To show them special mercy, I, dwelling in their hearts, destroy the darkness born of ignorance with the shining lamp of knowledge.
अर्जुन उवाच परम् ब्रह्म परम् धाम पवित्रम् परमम् भवान् पुरुषम् शाश्वतम् दिव्यम् आदिदेवमजम् विभुम्.
Arjuna said, "You are the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the ultimate abode, the purest, the absolute truth. You are the eternal, transcendental, original person, the unborn, the greatest."
आहुस्त्वाम् ऋषयः सर्वे देवर्षिर्नारदस्तथा असितो देवलो व्यासः स्वयं चैव ब्रवीषि मे.
All the great sages such as Narada, Asita, Devala and Vyasa confirm this truth about you, and now you yourself are declaring it to me.
सर्वमेतद्वृतम् मन्ये यन्माम् वदसि केशव न हि ते भगवन् व्यक्तिम् विदुर्देवान दानवाः.
O Lord Krishna, I totally accept as truth all that you have told me. Neither the demigods nor the demons can understand your personality.
स्वयमेवात्मनात्मानम् वेत्थत्वम् पुरुषोत्तम भूतभावनभूतेश देवदेव जगत्पते.
Indeed, you alone know yourself by your own internal potency. O Supreme Person, origin of all, Lord of all beings, God of gods, Lord of the universe.
वक्तुमर्हस्य शेषेण दिव्या ह्यात्मविभूतयः याभिर्विभूतिभिर्लोकान् इमाम् स्वम् व्याप्य तिष्ठति.
Please tell me in detail of your divine opulences by which you pervade all these worlds.
कथं विद्यामहं योगिन् त्वां सदा परिचिन्तयन् केषु केषु च भावेषु चिन्त्योऽसि भगवन्मया.
O Krishna, O Supreme Mystic, how shall I constantly think of you, and how shall I know you? In what various forms are you to be remembered, O Supreme Personality of Godhead?
विस्तरेणात्मनो योगम् विभूतिम् च जनार्दन भूयः कथय तृप्तिर्हि शृण्वतो नास्ति मे मृतम्.
O Janardana, again please describe in detail the mystic power of your opulences. I am never satiated in hearing about you, because the more I hear, the more I want to taste the nectar of your words.
श्रीभगवानुवाच हन्त ते कथयिष्यामि दिव्या ह्यात्मविभूतयः प्राधान्यतः कुरु श्रेष्ठ नास्त्यन्तो विस्तरस्य मे.
The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, Yes, I will tell you of my splendorous manifestations, but only of those which are prominent. O Arjuna, because my opulences is limitless.
अहमात्मा गुडाकेश सर्वभूताशयस्थितः अहमादिश्च मध्यम् च भूतानामन्त एव च.
I am the Super Soul, O Arjuna, seated in the hearts of all living entities. I am the beginning, the middle, and the end of all beings.
आदित्यानामहं विष्णुः ज्योतिषां रविरंशुमान् मरीचिर्मरुतामस्मि नक्षत्राणामहं शशी.
Of the Adityas, I am Vishnu. Of lights, I am the radiant sun. Of the Maruts, I am Marichi. And among the stars, I am the moon.